In the vibrant city of Miami Gardens, where tropical beauty meets modern living, homeowners are constantly looking for ways to make their properties stand out. Whether you own a sleek contemporary home or a charming Florida bungalow, your windows play a crucial role in shaping how your home looks and feels, both inside and out. Modern window designs do more than let in light. They define your home's style, improve energy efficiency, and create lasting impressions from the curb. Let's explore how the latest window design trends are enhancing curb appeal across Miami Gardens. Expansive glass for a modern, airy look. One of the biggest trends in window design today is large, open glass panels that create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Homeowners in Miami Gardens are embracing picture windows, floor-to-ceiling glass, and multi-panel sliders to capture more sunlight and views. These modern designs create an elegant, airy appearance that instantly elevates your home's exterior. From the street, large windows add visual balance and sophistication, while inside, they fill your rooms with Florida sunshine, reducing the need for artificial lighting and making your home feel more spacious. With the right glass technology, you don't have to worry about heat or glare either. Low-E coatings and tinted glass options help maintain indoor comfort while still allowing abundant natural light. Black and bronze frames. Bold, contemporary accents. Gone are the days when white frames were the only choice. Today's modern Miami Gardens homes are sporting bold black or bronze window frames that create strong visual contrast against light-colored stucco and tropical landscaping. These darker hues provide a sleek, architectural touch that enhances both traditional and contemporary designs. Black frames, in particular, draw the eye to the window openings, highlighting your home's geometry and giving it a clean, modern edge. Best of all, new window materials such as powder-coated aluminum and fiberglass ensure these finishes resist fading, corrosion, and Florida's humidity, so they'll stay beautiful for years. Custom shapes that add character. If you want your home to stand out, custom-shaped windows are the way to go. Arched, circular, and trapezoid designs add a distinctive architectural flair that transforms an ordinary facade into a design statement. In neighborhoods across Miami Gardens, homeowners are adding arched transom windows above entry doors, round accent windows in hallways, or angled panes that echo rooflines. These shapes break up standard rectangular layouts and create a more dynamic, personalized exterior. Custom designs not only add personality but also let you play with how light enters your space, enhancing both aesthetics and ambiance. Energy-efficient glass for a polished and practical upgrade. Florida's warm, humid climate demands more than just good looks. It calls for high-performance windows that can handle heat, UV exposure, and moisture. The great news is that today's modern designs combine beauty with efficiency. Energy-efficient windows with double-pane or triple-pane glass, argon gas fills, and insulated frames keep your home cool and your energy bills low. The polished finish of new glass also gives your home a clean, refreshed look from the curb. This combination of sleek design and smart performance makes your home look modern while functioning perfectly in Miami Gardens' tropical environment. Impact-resistant windows for style and safety. In South Florida, style shouldn't come at the expense of safety. That's why more Miami Gardens homeowners are turning to impact-resistant windows, a staple in hurricane-ready design. These windows feature reinforced glass and strong framing that can withstand high winds and debris. But beyond their protective benefits, they also offer a smooth, streamlined appearance that complements modern architecture. With impact-resistant windows, you can enjoy peace of mind during storm season without sacrificing style or visibility. Coordinating windows with exterior design. The key to exceptional curb appeal is coordination. Modern window designs can be tailored to fit your home's architectural tone, from clean-lined contemporary designs to Mediterranean-inspired homes common in Miami Gardens. Pair dark frames with white stucco for contrast, or choose bronze tones to blend with terracotta roofs and warm color palettes. Adding grills or divided lights can also help your new windows reflect your home's architectural heritage while still feeling current. Final thoughts in Miami Gardens. Modern window design isn't just about aesthetics, it's about blending function, beauty, and Florida-ready performance. Whether you choose expansive glass, bold frames, or custom shapes, these design upgrades can completely transform your home's curb appeal while improving comfort and efficiency. With the right window specialists, your new look will not only impress from the curb but also deliver lasting value, protection, and energy savings. In a place as vibrant and stylish as Miami Gardens, your home deserves windows that shine just as brightly.